Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Aggressive growth stocks is what we will talk about here with our aggressive growth stock strategist at Zacks.com, Bill Wilton, who stops by once again, as he does frequently, to talk about these with us. Dorman Products, D-O-R-M, ticker symbol, is one that you've written about recently. I've never heard of this company. They produce automotive supply replacement automotive parts?
Yeah, they're sort of behind the scenes. What they'll do is, provide hardware, brake products, other automotive, products to aftermarket resellers, things like that.
Right.
On February 22nd, they had their last quarterly report. They saw earnings swell 58%, so things were going very well for them in the previous quarter. And one of the things the CEO credited the successful quarter and year to was that they released a record number of new products in 2010. So they really hit the ground running right when they needed to. We started to see the economy rebound, and then they were also ramping up their production. So it was great timing on their part. They're also one of the top-rated stocks in a hot industry. Right now, they're the #1 rated auto parts supplier, and that industry is ranked 13th out of the 265 that we rank here at Zacks.
Wow.
So it's a great company and a great industry. Right now, thanks to the great earnings report they had, estimates are moving higher. Analysts are looking for 13% growth this year, another 12% next year. So it's good, solid, consistent growth. And a good depiction of that is this chart here. You can see the earnings trends very clearly with these multicolored lines. They're growing solidly year over year. And then also throughout each of those years, you're seeing analysts not afraid to go ahead and bump their expectations up as they go on. So while you might be afraid to get into a stock that's grown this much in such a short period of time, you can see that the estimates more than justify that.
If consumers are getting their cars fixed with a lot of aftermarket parts these days, doesn't speak well for the new car side of the auto industry, does it?
Well, not necessarily, because they also do supply some of the parts to original manufacturers and things like that. So they make
new parts as well?
Pretty much everybody, yeah.
Okay. Air Methods, AIRM, is the ticker symbol on this company. They're in the emergency medical air transportation industry.
Yeah, what they do is, these medical evacuations, they have, specially equipped helicopters. These guys run over 300 aircraft in 42 different states. They saw a great quarter on their last, on March 10th when they reported 99 cents a share. That was up by about 4 times from the previous year. They beat by 23 cents. They're also expected to grow pretty solidly over the long term, about 18% a year. And just to kind of fast forward to a similar chart as the previous company, one of the things you want to get stocks to have those, sizable moves is sizable estimate revisions by analysts. And here you can see that they're not afraid to not only provide upward estimates, but sharply higher.
Okay. Own either one?
I do not.
All right. Check out more stock pick ideas for you on our homepage. Upper right-hand corner of Zacks.com, we put 4 new ones up there for you daily in each of the investment categories that we write about. With Bill, I'm Terry Ruffalo.